Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of Sun Valley Public School. Today's topic is Hindi. So today we are lesson number 3, Ra ka prayog. We are going to learn Ra ka prayog, uses of Ra. Ra के अलग अलग रूपों की पहचान. We are going to learn अलग अलग रूपों की पहचान. रा के विभिन्न रूप 4. कितने रूप हैं? 4. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, Ra, this is similar to everyone. You know it, this letter to use. First they have given Ga plus Ja plus Ra. So, Gajar when you join together. And here, this Ra, Ra ke roop, this is also a Ra. Look at here. Sa plus Ra plus Pa, Afra. Sa plus Ra plus Pa is equals to Sar. When I use this letter not required. I have used here. So, Sar. Ra sound is coming after Sa. So, next, this line, slanting line. Cha plus Afka plus Ra. Chakra. Chakra. See, Ka and this line, whatever they have given, I have given here, not down. If I give down like this will become Afka. This is Halant. I am not used Halant. This is Ra. Ra ka roop. This is also Ra. The sound of Ra this is. And here, these two lines. This is also a Ra. T plus after this is T plus Ra plus Ka is equals to truck. Truck. Tra. It gives the sound of tra. Ra sound also it gives here. So if I use these two lines. Truck. So means this line and this line, these two words, swar ke saath, they are together with swar. And we call it as paden. Means पैरों के ऊपर. Means whatever the lines, slanting line are given, it is down towards these words. So we call it as paden. Now here, look at here this sign. This is up. Think this is head and this is legs, two legs, and here this is an head. So sa plus afra plus pa. But I get the sound serp here. Ra sound also I am getting here. But I did not use this Ra. Instead of this Ra I have used here. So this is called rape. So this is Ada letter. Ada letter. Now back to the lesson, children. Now you know the uses of Ra. Ra ka prayog. You know. So here similar, they have given some images to know more about the words. With the images, they have given the words. We will read it out so that you will understand more. So first one they have given Ga plus Ja plus Ra, Gajar, carrot. Plus Gu plus Ra, Angur, grapes. T plus Ma plus T plus Ra, tomato, tomato. Here. S plus R plus Pa, serp, snake. Su plus R plus Ya, Surya, sun. Pa plus R plus Va plus Ta, Parvat, mountain. Ch plus K plus Ra, chakra, wheel. Ch plus D plus Ra plus Ma, chandrama, moon. P plus R plus N plus Ma, pranam, salutation. Here. T plus R plus K, truck. truck. Dr plus r plus m, drum, drum. T plus r plus li, trolley, trolley. Padho or likho, read and write. Here they have given the words, children. Only you have to do is copy the same words down here. They have given lines. I have written here. Similar way even you write it down, the words. First I will read it out. Karm, Harsh, Varsha, Darpan. Prashna, Pratham, Graha, Prakash. Truck, drum, trolley, metro. Here, come down here. Padho or samjho, read and understand. First we will read the meanings of this lesson, small lesson. There is a small story here. First we will understand the meanings. Shabdat. Dophar, afternoon. Prakash, ujjwal, light. Pratidin, har din, every day. Kush, prasann, happy. Now let's read this. Dophar ka समय था means it was an afternoon time. काले बादलों के कारण सूर्य का प्रकाश कम हो गया था means the sunlight was faint because of the dark clouds. प्रेम प्रतिदिन मेट्रो से घर आता है means प्रेम daily comes home by metro. आज अभी तक घर नहीं पहुंचा means today he had not yet reached home. माँ इसकी फिक्र में दरवाजे पर खड़ी थी mean mother was standing on door in worry. तभी प्रेम आता दिखाई दिया माँ खुश हो गई. Soon she saw Prem coming. Mother was happy. वर्ण मिलाकर शब्द बनाओ. Make words by joining letters. First one they have done for us, children. Look at here. So plus r plus ya. Surya. They have, instead of this ra, they have used this ra. Okay. Similar way we have to complete this all the words. Second one, d plus r plus m. So drum, here ra, here they have used. Third one, p plus r plus v plus th, parvat, ra, this is the ra which we have used here, parvat. Here p plus r plus n plus ma, pranam, ra here. This line is called Rakaru. This is. And here M plus Ra plus Ga, Marg. Here. And here Ch plus K plus Ra, Chakra. Here Rakaru, Chakra. And here शुद्ध शब्द पर सही का निशान लगाओ. Tick the correct words. You must see the words and you must pick the correct one. First one they have done, Chandrama. This is the right one. Here Prabal. Prabal means famous. So this is the right one. Prashna, question. So this is the right one. Chakra. This is the right one. Ra का सही रूप लगाकर शब्द सही करो. Must use ra to form the correct words. First one they have done for us, darpan. Ra they have used here. Darpan. Here pat they have given, but it is not a full complete word. We have to complete it. So parvat I have written here. Then here they have given dress. So down I have given one ra. So this has become dress. And here चित्र पहचान कर नाम लिखो. Identify the pictures and write their names. First you have to identify the pictures, given pictures, then you have to write the names in Hindi. First one they have done, chakra, wheel, kale badal, dark clouds. So metro, chandrama, moon. Today's class we have learned Ra ke Vibhin Char Roop. I hope you all understood, children. We'll meet you in the next class.